So I'm just going to go through how to make a dairy-free and vegan-free pizza. So you're going to need some onions, which we're actually going to do with balsamic vinegar, which I don't have here. So that's my balsamic. I'm just going to make sure it hasn't got any dairy or anything else in it. Allergy advice, nothing much. Then we've got, I like this as like vegan cheese. So it's basically yeast flakes, passata, pink Himalayan salt, just because I think it gets a stronger salt flavour, and the Violife vegan alternative, it's coconut oil. It's also got added vitamin Bs, fry lights, because I'm also trying to watch the calories, oregano, basil, and then this Just Roll pastry treat, which I actually got from the Free From aisle. Now it is gluten free, but it also happens to be dairy free. Let's have a little look at you. No need for a rolling pin. Woohoo! Good stuff. Vegetables, palm fat, rice, pea. Yeah. Okay. Right, yeah, so I'm not putting all that together so they can take the strain. So I'm just going to chop up my onions and then I'm going to just throw them in the fryer. And I'm going to have, so my frying pan's on already. And I'm going to cook it in with the fry light and the balsamic vinegar. Gotta just love the noise when you add vinegar, and it smells amazing. So try and get it so it kind of colours. This is red on me. And I think that's me out of vinegar. So do I have any more? Yes, I do. This one. So I'll have some of that. So I'm just literally going to let that bubble away until there's no vinegar left. So just before I don't roll out my Just Roll, I'm just going to spray this paper, which is a baking tray underneath, this Firelight so it doesn't stick. What Firelight in my life, please don't have milk in you. Just let me check. I think this is one of the biggest pain in the bums, is checking everything. No, it's alright, no milk. Yay! Just thought I'd show you how it comes. I think you can bake it on this paper actually. Does it say? I think so. So I'll put it down in the link below if you can. Now I'm not sure why I scored it, but I have done because I don't know. I see it on the fancy television programmes, so we'll see. Right, so that is just about done. So I'm just going to add in some sauce now. And this is going to make like the base. That's going to make the base for it. I'm just going to add in some herbs. So I've got some basil, and I've got some oregano. I'm just kind of mix that in, cook it through. Otherwise it'll just taste of vinegar, which won't be very nice. Oh, that smells amazing. Right, so that's more than ready to come off now. So I'm going to put that onto my pizza. Okay, so now it's time for taking some of this block cheese. I really like this. It doesn't smell too bad. There is a mozzarella one, which I think from Sainsbury's, which smells awful but it tastes lovely. So I'm just going to put enough on this to kind of like take probably about 35 grams, give or take a gram. And then you could put any toppings on you wanted. I've got some like sun-dried tomatoes which go quite nicely on it. Got some rocket, so I could put some rocket on it, but actually I quite fancy it plain today. So it's just like a little quick lunch. This has taken me, even with the videos, less than 10 minutes. So that is not bad going. Into the oven for about 12 minutes because that's what I'd put a normal pizza in for, and it's in like I think like 200. Smashing. So here it is. It's like puffed up really nicely. It's been in for 12 minutes. So I've practiced my wedding speech because I'm matron of honour next week, and I'm going to tuck into this and I'll pop the calories up there as well. Thanks. So here it is. I'm going to eat it before it gets cold. Thanks very much for joining me in this video. Please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.